Hi, today we're going to look at how to install trims to the exposed edges of your reflection splashback panels. The tools you may require are a tape measure, a pen or pencil, a pair of good cutters, a file, a tube of suitable silicone, a hacksaw and a cheap mitre box. This Bison 980 silicone can be used for adhering to wallboards such as gyp. If adhesion to timber, glass or existing tile is required, we recommend the Holdfast HG MS or similar as the correct product to use. As you can see, we're placing dobs along the intervals along the panel, and then some smaller dobs next to the edge which will hold the trim in place. Lift the panel into place and place it against the wall, but not too hard at this stage. Cut the 45-degree angle on the trim first and then measure and cut it to length. Slide the trim into place and then repeat for the adjoining panel. In this video you can see that we've placed a piece of ply to replicate a windowsill. This is often the case in kitchens where there is a window over the sink. As the edge of the panel is underneath the sill and not seen, there is no reason to install any trim under here. Again, placing small dobs along the exterior edge of the panel will hold the trim in place once it is installed. It's recommended that you leave the panels for a few hours to allow the silicone to set before removing the plastic protection. But in this case, and for the sake of this video, we've just removed it to show you how easy that is. You can see from this photo a nice neat 45-degree mitre can be achieved. Alternatively, a square cut corner join can be just as effective and a lot easier to achieve. The result again is a neat, effective trim join, as this last photo shows.